Okay, everyone, just as a heads up, this video is going to be a bit more complicated. So, if you don't think you're quite ready for this yet, do click off and try come back a bit later. Now, let's just get into this. So, we're going to create a little file. Let's save as. We'll call this demo file. Actually, let's create a new folder. Let's call this files. I don't know. And then in here, we'll create file. We'll call this demo file. Okay, everyone, once you have saved your Python script, you want to head over to the file where you saved it to, right click, new, and we'll add in a text document. And we'll call this demo file, and we'll whack on, no, we'll just call this demo file. So now we've got a .txt, a text file, and a .py, Python file. Now let's open up our Python file here. And as you can see, if we open up the demo file as well, there's nothing on it, right? So let's go into Python here, and we'll say f equals open. F standing for file, I'll call it file. We say file equals open, and then demo file 2.txt, comma, and then a. Now, this is going to look really confusing. Oh, sorry, that shouldn't be a 2. Yeah, I'm copying this off of another website, which I'll leave in the description. It's really informative. It's got loads of stuff for Python. It's really good. I recommend it. Yeah, so if we say file equals open, and then the file name here, this is the text file, and we have to add .txt because it's a text file. And the A means append, which means it's going to add to the end of the file. If you replace this with a W, it will write over the file, so it will replace everything on the file. So if we say append, next we'll say file.write. The file has something within it now. I don't know. This is what this .write basically is. Whatever you want to add to the file. Let me say file.close. And this will stop writing to the file once it's done. Okay, it's not that it will stop writing to the file, it's that it will close the file. So the file will no longer be open. I probably should have explained that a bit better, but yeah, it won't work. And now, down here, we're going to open the file, so f equals open. And if we say demo file, if we just copy exactly what's up here, but then replace the A with R, R standing for read. That's what R means, it's going to read it. And then say print, also this shouldn't be F, this should be file. And then if we print the file.read, print file.read, there we go. And save this and run. We run the module. It should say the file has something within it now. And if we open up the demo file, as you can see, it's got the file has something within it now. It's written to that file. This is really cool. Now, I know at the start I said this is quite complicated, and that's because it is. It's not exactly easy to remember. But this is really all there is to it. There's not really much more you can do. You can create new files. We won't go into any of that today. You can use, if you use the, let me try and, so if you say, actually, you know what, we will, to create a new file, if we say demo file and then X in here, it will create a new file. We'll call this demo file new. That's going to be the name of the file we run. Now we can close the script, go over here, and you see we've got a new file. So that's quite cool. That's how you create new files. You use the letter X. And, that's basically it. That's all there is to it. So, we also need to look at reading files, but that is f.read. That's all that is. So, yeah. I hope you did enjoy, everyone. And that's all there really is to this. So, thanks for watching, and goodbye.